Hey guys, what's up? So today we are doing a power test with the M40, the newest gun I got, and we're gonna see how accurate it is and how much layers of cardboard it will go through. Let's see the power test. Okay. It went through one layer of cardboard. Let's try that again. One layer of cardboard again. Yeah, so let's try one more shot, and if it goes through one layer of cardboard, the accuracy would be 250 FPS. Because this is single hit cardboard. Yep, it went through 2 layers that time. Okay, now let's check the accuracy. First, let me get this mag in, load it again. Okay. You won't see me shooting it because I got the camera set up. You're just going to see me shoot the targets. Sorry for that. It's the wind. It's really strong today.